Since putting in this new treatment plant, it has done great wonders for the park. My tenants are extremely excited about having it because the noise has come down tremendously. It's quiet. It's not the loud noises versus the old one, which was loud.
There's no sound at all when I come out of my home.
It's really quiet and it doesn't stink.
It's a great asset to the community.
Hi, I'm Steve Barry. Thank you for watching the video about Cranbrook Mobile Home Park. It's located just south of Greensboro, North Carolina. That is one of our first projects to do as a turnkey general contractor. We're really proud of the results and how it turned out for the owners of the mobile home park as well as the individual owners. We've been selling treatment equipment from Orenco Systems for almost 20 years, but this entailed a new challenge for us and we were excited about the opportunity. It was a difficult job considering the location. There's rock in the ground there, a lot of existing infrastructure to avoid, and proud of my team and the group that we had put together and the grit that they showed to get the job done and done well. If you'd like to find out more about what we do, whether it's supply the equipment, help with some engineering or some technical assistance, or do a job turnkey like that, please reach out to us at the contact information you're about to see. Thanks.